Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 2025 Sunday Racing. Linggo na naman, araw ng karera sa araw ng linggo. Ngayong araw ng linggo, meron tayong 10 races. Exciting na 10 races dahil maganda ang mga lineup, ang pagkaka-handicap. Ngayong araw ng linggo, ang pagganap ng Bagatsing Racing Festival in honor of late Mayor Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr. Ngayon din gagawin ang 2025 Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr. Memorial Cup 1 and 2. Ganon din ang 2025 second leg Prince Cup, 2025 second leg Kings Gold Cup. At in honor nga ni Mayor Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr. na naging matagal na alkalde ng lungsod ng Maynila noong before martial law and during martial law. Isa rin siyang horse owner. Ngayong araw ng linggo, starting time ng karera 2 p.m. alas 2 ng hapon. First pick 6 covers races 1 to 6. Race 1, 1,600 Soler Trophy Race. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 6, Caligan. Second choice number 1, Iridescent. Race 2, first winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. Vice Governor Sandy Javier and Congresswoman Lolita Javier Trophy Race. Pawang o halos sandamakmak ang imported horses dito. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 4, Paddington. Second choice number 10, Extraordinary. At third choice number 7, Bride 3. So tayo sa race 3, first pick 5 covers races 3 to 7, isang 1,600 meter distance. Ito ang 2025 Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr. Memorial Cup 1. Ang ating pong cool first choice, couple entry 4, Robotic Clay, 4A, Cole is Right. Second cool choice number 7, Midnight Bell. At third choice natin number 3, Black Jack. Race 4, second winner take all, covers races 4 to 10. Ito po ang 2025 second leg Prince Cup. Siya nga pala yung race 3 ay may pentapecta event. Dito sa race 4, first and only choice natin number 7, Morally. Race 5, second pick 6 covers races 5 to 10. Another 1,600 meter distance, isang milya. Ito ang 2025 Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr. Memorial Cup 2. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 3, Worshipful Master. Second choice couple entry 4, Easy Does It, 4A Trumpeter. Second pick 5 covers races 6 to 10, 1,400. Ito po ang 2025 second leg Kings Gold Cup. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 11, Barati. Second choice number 4, Sherbet Fountain. Race 7, pick 4 covers races 7 to 10. Siya nga pala yung nakaraang race 6, hindi ko po nabanggit, may Super 6 event. Dito sa race 7, 1,600, Aresteo Puts Puya Trophy Race. First and only choice, number 7, Windfall. Race 8, New San Jose Builders Trophy Race. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 13, Nefer Yure. Second choice number 11, basket of gold. Sa race 9, race na may pentapekta. Ito po ang Pagcor Trophy Race. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 1, Shanghai Silk. Second choice number 10, Brown Pirate. At third choice number 5, Viva de Oro. Last race, race 10, Paratingan, race na may Super 6. Ito ang Friends of Ramon Bagatsing Trophy Race. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 5, Frosty Raven. Second choice number 8, Mang Nano. Third choice number 3, Morning After. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!